What's up guys, Andy Cool here with Lake Country Manufacturing, and today we're talking about our marine polishing pads. First off, we have our wool cutting pads. These are an amazing new invention by us. They're going to come in 8-inch double-sided all the way down to a 3-inch, so that way you're going to be able to get into every nook and cranny of the boat you're working on. So we've designed these pads with you in mind. We wanted to make sure you could get into all these nooks and crannies safe and successfully. So for example, on an area like this, you could take your big 7.5-inch pad and get it down in there, but the problem is you're not going to be able to see what you're doing. So what we did is we grabbed our 3-inch wool, we apply product directly to the affected area. This allows us to polish right exactly where we want to be, and we can also see what we're doing. See, with that, we didn't have to tape off or do anything extra. We could just get right in there and knock it out completely. Another thing we've done is we've created this flat pad. This will allow you to get into these little nooks and crannies that usually suffer during your polish job because they conform nicely to that area. So our wool cutting pad is really designed to knock out sand scratches and heavy oxidation. And with our secret blend, it's going to run much cooler than any other pad on the market, making it great for working outside in direct sunlight. So because of our proprietary blend, it's going to keep your polishes and compounds from drying out, making them effortless to wipe off. So just like our wool cutting pads, the wool polishing pad is going to come in a variety of different sizes, from 8-inch all the way down to 3-inch. This is a great intermediate step in between your compounding and your finishing. So because of the synthetic blend, it's going to effortlessly remove any swirls or haze that's left behind from your compounding stage. So with just a couple passes, this section is ready for its finish. So our DA wool was really designed for one-step polishing with either a forced rotation or a dual action polisher. This is great for medium oxidation to knock out a job that is only there for one step. Get some juice. So as you can see, with just a couple passes, you can knock out that medium oxidation and leave a fantastic result. The micro wool pad was really designed with you in mind. Not every customer wants a full correction and wants to spend all the money to get it perfect. Some customers just want good enough, they want shiny. This pad right here will do that quickly and effectively. So our DA correction pad is a stiff outer layer with a softer foam interface. This will allow you to conform to different shapes and sizes. This is great for single step polishing with your dual action polishers. So these pads are super versatile. They can be used for single steps, finishing steps, and everything in between, all depending on the surface you're working on. And with the CCS design, it can allow you to go for a lot longer without having to clean your pad. So our foam polishing pad was really created to put a final finish on darker colored holes and to apply waxes and sealants. This comes with our dual layer design, which is a softer exterior foam and a stiffer foam interface. The interface will take the brunt of all the action from your dual action polisher, making the pad last a lot longer.